Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. At sa video ito, ating pag-aaralan ang tungkol sa ilang mga topics ng Mathematics Grade 4. Okay, so kasama dito yung sequence and perimeter at saka yung properties of addition and multiplication. Okay, so let's start. Okay, for the first part, determine the missing term in the given number sequence. So una meron tayo ditong 38, 46, and then blank. Meron tayong 62, blank, and then 78. So paano natin makukuha yung pattern? So ang basic dyan, so kailangan muna nating malaman yung difference nitong dalawang first uh, term o first two terms ng number sequence. So paano natin malalaman yan? So mag-subtract tayo. Meron tayong 46 minus 38. Okay. So 6 minus 8 cannot be. Borrow 1 from 4. So 16 minus 8 is 8. So ibig sabihin, nag-add lang siya ng 8. So 38 plus 8 is 46. So makukuha na natin yung third term. Yeah, so plus 8. So meron tayong 48 plus 8 is, 46 plus 8 is 54. And then 54 plus 8 is 62. Okay, so it means tama yung ating format. And then 62 plus 8 is 70. And then, okay, 70 plus 8 is 78. So, ibig sabihin, okay, tama yung ating sagot sa number 1. Okay, number 2. So, meron tayong 15 and 30. So, obviously, ang pagitan nila ay 15. Dahil 15 plus 15 ay 30. So, 30 plus 15, okay, 30 plus 15 is 45. And then plus 15 is 60. And then plus 15 is 75. Okay. Next number, number 3. Okay, so we have 91 and 85. So mag-subtract tayo. Oh, sorry. So mapapansin natin, pababa siya, di ba? 91, 85, tapos 73, meron tayong 61. So ganun pa rin, mag-minus tayo. Okay, please, paumanhin. Okay, so mag-minus tayo. 91 minus 85. So meron tayong, okay, 6. So ibig sabihin, nagma-minus 6 lang siya. So this time, minus 6 dahil pababa yung number sequence niya. Hindi tayo mag-add. Alright? So 91 minus 6 is 85. So 85 minus 6 ay 79. Okay? So 79 minus 6 is 73. Tapos 73 minus 6 ay 67. And then 67 minus 6 is 61. Okay? So tama yung ating sagot. Next, number 4. Okay, so meron tayong 34 and 39. So ibig sabihin mag-a-add ulit tayo. So 39 minus 34. Okay, meron tayong 5. So mag-a-add ulit, plus 5. So plus 5 tayo. Ilan ito? So 39 plus 5 is 44. Okay, plus 5 ulit is 49. Check natin, ha. Okay, plus 5 is 54. And then plus 5 is 59. Okay. So it means tama yung ating sagot, 44 and 49. Okay, next. Okay, number 5. So, itong sequence naman ito, wala tayong first two terms. So, kunin natin yung nasa gitna. Okay? So, kung mapapansin natin, pababa siya, 72 and then 69. So, 72 minus 69 is 3. Okay, so 12 minus 9 is 3. So, magma-minus tayo. Okay, so 78 minus 3 is 75. Then 69 minus 3 is 66. And then 66 minus 3 is 63. Okay, so tama ang ating sagot. Okay, so the next part is find the missing number or numbers in the given equation. So kung mapapansin natin, lahat ito ay addition. So kapag sinabing addition, ito ay commutative property. Pag sinabing commutative property, kahit bali-baliktarin mo yan, pareho lang sila ng sagot. Okay? Kasi kung halimbawa, 9 plus 5 is 14. So, ganun din yon. 5 plus 9 is 14. Alright? So, yun yung commutative property. Kahit baliktarin mo, ganun pa rin ang sagot. Okay, so 29 plus blank. Okay, plus 12 plus 9 equals blank plus 12 plus 8 plus 29. Okay. So, andito yung 29 natin. Andito yung 29 niya. And nakita natin, inad niya ng 8. So, okay, sulat din natin dito, 8. And then, meron siyang 12 dito. Ayan yung 12. So, nag-add siya ng 9. So, ibig sabihin, binaliktad lang niya 9 plus 12. Okay? So, ito, example lang to ha. Example lang yan ng commutative property of addition. Okay, next one, number 7. Okay, find the missing number or numbers in the given equation. So, kapag ganito, walang anong tawag dito? Mathematical operation, okay, ibig sabihin niyan is multiplication. Okay? So, meron tayong tinatawag na distributive property. Distributive, so ibig sabihin pag sinabing distribute, sinishare mo, 'di ba? Or pinamimigay mo, distribute. Okay? So, parang ipamimigay mo 'tong 5 do sa or ibabahagi mo 'tong 5 do sa 3 and 4. So, multiplication, so 5 times 3, okay, plus, and then 5 times 4. Okay, ganun lang po kasimple yun. Next one. Okay, number 8. So, 17 plus 6 plus 8 equals 17. Itong pag grouping naman yung pinagkaiba nila and addition yan. So, meron din tayong tinatawag na associative property of addition. Okay, so kahit mag-iba-iba sila ng grupo, okay, iisa pa rin ang sagot. As long as the same numbers sila and lahat ay addition. Okay po. So, 17 plus 6 plus 8, okay, close parenthesis, sorry, equals 17 plus open parenthesis. So, kahit ano mauna, pwede mong unahin ng 6 and then 8. Or pwede mo ring unahin ng 8 and then 6. Iisa lang po yan ng sagot. So, pili na lang po kayo kung ano ang match, kung anong gusto niyo. Okay. Next one, number 9. So, 6 plus 5 equals, okay, kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, commutative property. Kahit baliktarin mo yan, iisa rin sila ng sagot. Okay, next, number 10. So 829 times blank equals 829. So obviously, the answer is 1. Okay, next one. Okay, give the appropriate tool in measuring the perimeter of the following. So first picture natin is blackboard. So we have 3 meters, 3 meters by 2 meters. Okay. So ang panukat natin dito, so obviously dahil ang unit ay meter, so pwede natin isulat meter stick. Meter stick or pwede na rin natin Tagalogin metro. Okay? So ang perimeter, pag sinabi pong perimeter, mag-a-add lang po tayo ng lahat ng sides. So meron tayong 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. I-add lang po natin lahat yan. So meron tayong 6 plus 4 is 10. And wag natin kalimutan yung unit, 10 meters. Okay po. So next one. Okay, slice of pizza. So ito ay triangle. So meron tayong 6 cm, 6 by 6 by 3. Okay, so ang panukat natin dito, okay, so since centimeter and masyado namang malaki kung meter stick ang ating gagamitin, so tama lang ang ruler. So ang perimeter natin, i-add lang natin 6 plus 6 plus 3. So meron tayong 12 plus 3 is 15. And wag natin kalimutan ang unit, 15 centimeters. Okay, next one. Okay, picture frame. So makikita natin lahat sila pare-pareho ng sukat. So 5 by 5 by 5 by 5. Sorry, 5 by 5 lang. Okay, so panukat is, so since inches, so pwede rin ang ruler. So ang perimeter natin, pwede tayong, since pare-pareho lang naman yan, pwede natin gamitin ang 5 times 4 is 20. So 20, ang unit natin is inches. Oops, sorry. Okay, 20 inches. Okay, and that's for all for today. Thank you so much. This is Konkru TV. Maraming salamat po.